Welcome to today's episode of Tech Simplified, where we dive into the tools that improve our daily digital lives. I'm your host, and today we have a fascinating discussion lined up about a nifty tool called DeskPad, a virtual monitor for screen sharing. Now, let's face it, in today's world of remote work and virtual presentations, we often find ourselves needing to share our screens. But what happens when you have a much larger display than your audience? It can be overwhelming for them, right? Imagine trying to watch a movie on an IMAX screen while you're there with a pocket-sized viewfinder. It just doesn't work. That's where DeskPad comes into play, providing an innovative solution to this common problem. So what is DeskPad exactly? Picture this. You're presenting multiple applications, perhaps juggling between spreadsheets and creative presentations. DeskPad effectively creates a virtual display that mirrors within the application window, allowing you to craft a dedicated, easy-to-share workspace. It's like having a smart assistant that preps your workspace for a presentation. For those of you wondering how to get started with DeskPad, it's super simple. You can hop online and download the latest release binary, or if you're a homebrew user, shout out to all the Mac enthusiasts, you can simply call a command, brew install DeskPad. It's that easy. Now, once it's installed, it behaves just like any other monitor. Launching the app is like plugging in an extra screen. I mean, how great is that? macOS recognizes it and arranges your windows in their previous configuration automatically. Plus, you can tweak the display resolution through your system preferences, and the app window will adapt. But wait, there's a neat feature to highlight when you're sharing your screen. Whenever your mouse cursor hovers over the virtual display, DeskPad highlights its title bar in blue. That's this clever little cue that helps you keep track of where you are, bringing a touch of usability to the tool. Now, I can imagine some of you might be thinking, okay, this sounds awesome, but how does it enhance an online presentation? Well, think about it. With DeskPad, you can streamline your workflow and keep your audience focused on what's crucial without overwhelming them with a massive display that they can't fully see. This tool is all about clarity and efficiency. Before we wrap up, let me throw out a thought-provoking question for you to ponder. How have you adapted your virtual communication style in the age of remote work? We've all had to rethink our approaches, and tools like DeskPad are changing the game. So in summary, DeskPad can make your virtual presentations clearer and more effective by creating a dedicated workspace that's easy to share. And at the end of the day, it's about improving the experience for both the presenter and the audience. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Tech Simplified. Remember, whether it's a new app or a tech concept, I'm here to help make it just a bit easier for you. Until next time, explore those tech tools and keep simplifying.